Good morning. 12 years ago, my wife and I moved into our first house. We've always liked animals, so it didn't take long for us to get our first pets. 2 goldfish rescued from the fair. We're into our permanent house now, and 12 years and 3 children later, you could say things have escalated a little bit. And we now have 1 puppy, 7 cats, 2 Shetland ponies, 4 pygmy goats, around 30 chickens and 3 ducks and a few tropical fish. This morning I'd like to give you a bit of a tour of the field and show you some of our animals and talk about the benefits of spending time with animals and in nature. My morning routine every day involves coming out and feeding all the animals, and same again in the evening. It's something that I thoroughly enjoy. So this is where we keep all the food for the animals. First thing I'm going to do is just grab a little handful of hay for the ponies. There we go. Although it's summertime and the grass is growing, they do still really enjoy a handful of hay, and gives me an opportunity to go around and say hello to them. Here we are, here's Indy boy. Hello Indy. Yeah, boy. Goodbye. Goodbye. This is Indy, here comes Monty. These two have been friends pretty much since birth, who were brought together I think when they were a few days old, and they've always lived together. They used to be at an open farm and that closed, and we took the opportunity to buy them, and yeah, they're great fun, absolute characters. This is where our Aylesbury ducks live. Just going to come and let them out now for their breakfast. There we go. Oh, and if we have a little look in here, Jemima's laid us an egg. Well done, Jemima. All the great benefits of having ducks and hens. Absolutely the eggs. Now we're going to let the hens out. And my children in particular love doing this, because when you let them out they go straight below their food to put down. Off they go. They love racing against them. They head straight over to the food. Just go have a little look, see if he's laying the eggs for us yet. Look at that. Fantastic. 4 eggs already. The best eggs you can get these. If you don't believe me, ask Mrs. Chamberlain or Mrs. Hall or Mrs. Morgan. One of the great benefits of having animal shelters is that you quite often get birds coming into the nest. So this is a recently built swallow's nest. I'm not sure if there's any eggs in there yet, but I did see the female sat in there last night, and if we pop out here, you might just be able to see them flying about. There you go, enjoying the morning. Right, it's time to let the goats out, so here we go. So the black and white one is Billy, he's the boss. This is Bob, which is his brother. There goes out. That's Rosie over there, I think. And then this fella here, trying to get out from under the bench, is Jim. Good morning to you too, Cockerel. So yeah, they're great fun. Little pygmy goats. Really good entertainment. Yeah, we have Pip the dog. Pip! Come for a morning exercise. Hello girl. Pip we got just before the lockdown started. And she is ace. And then here's Bo, come to say hello. Hello Bo. Now if I have a look behind this curtain, I should see some of our cats. There's Teddy, Poppy, and there's Tigger just disappearing off for his breakfast. There's Pinky Cat, enjoying the morning sunshine, pondering what he's going to do this morning. Off he goes. Here is Purple, basking in the morning sunshine. Hello girl. Big fluffy cat. I was inspired to make this assembly after seeing Mrs. Wants and her allotment, and I guess it's not easy for everybody to go and spend time with animals and in nature. Not everybody's lucky enough to have their own land or even have their own pets. But I guess the message I wanted to get across was there is no better time of year to get out and enjoy nature and wildlife. This lockdown has provided nature with an opportunity to flourish, and if you watch programs like Spring Watch, there's never been a better year for nature. So if you can, get out, go for a walk, don't take your phone, don't listen to anything, just enjoy the sounds of nature. There's no better time for it, and this is my favourite time of the year. Have a great day, Sedbergh.